Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hello learners, so in this video we are going to see how to type the code in HTML language. So as I told you, I'm going to use the VS Code editor. If you don't know how to install VS Code, you can check out the video which I have made. Now let's go on File, check New File. You can use Notepad or Notepad++ also according to your choice. Now let me save the file as .html extension, because it is an important thing. If you writing the code in HTML, you must save the document with .html extension. So let me save it as tut1.html. now save. Okay, so yeah, it is now showing tut1.html. so first thing which we need to write is doc type HTML according to HTML5 conventions, as I have already mentioned in my last video. Then first tag always is HTML, and for every opening tag there is a closing tag. So here we close HTML, and in between HTML first tag, can you remember? Okay, so it's a head tag, and let me close the head tag. Inside the head we write title tag. Title, let's give the page title as tutorial 1. Okay, so after head there is body tag. Let me close this tag. Okay, so inside body, let's first take heading tag h1. Inside heading tag, let me write heading 1. So let me show you all the heading tags available, which are basically 6 tags. Okay, so first of all, h1 tag will show the heading with bigger font size. So before that, let me show you the comment. How can you comment something in your HTML document? Okay, so for commenting, you just need to select the text which we want to comment and press Ctrl and question mark. Okay, so for example, heading tags, let me choose the text, select the text, then Ctrl question mark will comment it out. Okay, then as we seen, h1 will display heading 1 in bigger fonts. Then h2 is the type of heading whose font size will be a little bit smaller than h1. Then h3 will be a little bit smaller than h2. Then h4 will be a little bit smaller than h3. Then h5 will be a little bit smaller than h4, and at last there is h6 tag, which is with smallest font size. Okay, so let me fill in the text in between those tags so that we can check out the result afterwards. h4 heading 4, then inside h5 heading 5, then inside h6 there is heading 6. Okay, so now just save the document, and yes, we will check out the result. So for that, let's go on our folder where we have stored our file HTML series. Okay, so file with .html extension, we need to double click on that file tut1.html, double click it, and we will get redirected to browser, and that file will open in browser. Okay, so yeah, here you can see all the heading tags with their font sizes. h1 is bigger, then h2 is little bit smaller, h3 is smaller, H4 is even smaller, H5 is smaller, and 6 is smallest, right? So this is how heading tags basically work. You understand? Okay, so after heading tag, let me show you paragraph tag. For example, if you want to write any paragraph in your website, then you use the paragraph tag, which is P. Then inside the P tag we can write whatever text we want. So let me write hello world, this is my first paragraph in my first HTML assignment. Okay, so let me save this file first, and then let's go back to our browser. Double click on the file, and here we open our browser, and you can see the line. So in our paragraph right now there is only single line, that's why we cannot see much more change. But if you will enter a large amount of text, then you can surely see the difference between the heading tag and paragraph tag. Okay, so whenever you want to write multiple lines in your browser, you use paragraph tag. Okay, so now let me save and open the browser. Now hit the refresh button. Yes, here you can see the paragraph. So this is the use of paragraph tag. Okay, so go back to code. Let me undo some things. Oh, I think I have done some extra undos, so let me redo them. Okay, so now we are sorted. So in this video we have learned the basic syntax of HTML, how to write HTML, how to save HTML document, and how to run the code, and heading and paragraph tags.